Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see everyone on Zoom using gallery view. So this is helpful when you want to see multiple people at the same time instead of only the person who is speaking. So first, I want you to open your Zoom meeting on your computer, then look at the top right corner of the Zoom window and click view. If you do not see it right away, move your mouse around that area to bring up the controls. And from the menu, choose gallery, and then Zoom will immediately arrange the participant into a grid so that you can see more people on your screen at once. So the number of people you can see here will depend on your screen size and resolution. If more participants join, Zoom will automatically adjust the layout. You can also maximize the Zoom window if you want more space for the participant titles. And if you want to change the layout again, simply click view and choose another option. And that is it. Just click view, select gallery, and you'll be able to see everyone in a simple grid layout. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.